Good evening, everyone. As we begin this new week, I am sending prayers and sincere wishes for peace, especially for those affected by the bombings and conflict in the Middle East. My heart goes out to all families who are living in the fear and uncertainty right now. May God protect the innocent, comfort those who are grieving, and bring strength to everyone facing danger and hardship. Pray for safety and unity among the nations. May leaders choose peace over violence, understanding over anger, compassion over hatred. Let us take a moment tonight, pray for peace in the world. No matter we can always send love, hope, and a positive thoughts to those who need it most. May this evening remind us to be grateful for our safety and always value kindness, humanity, and faith. Stay safe, everyone.